and welcome back to my channel. This is Pallavi, a second year MBBS student from MKCG Medical College and Hospital, Berhampur. So basically, my college is full of surprises. It would be wrong to say that MKCG never fails us to amaze with its extraordinary culture of fests, parties and many more. But studies can't be ignored though. Anyways, let's dive into the memory of the beautiful day of my life which every medico dreams of. Like freshers, it's a day when we become the official part of our college, and this is what we gonna cherish forever in our MBBS journey of 5.5 years. So let's start. This all started with the choosing of the Mr. and Miss Freshers during the morning time till 1 p.m. And one thing I like about MKCG is that there is a huge opportunity for us to showcase our talents like music, dance or sports and everything. The means people can easily flourish their talents, which we tend to forget in our drop years. So that's what I like. And yeah, that ended, and after that in the afternoon time we got back wearing saris. The girls wear saris and the boys or the blazer. You won't believe that there was a huge process to accompany us to the auditorium, and this was definitely the best thing. As I said, that MKCG is full of surprises. So you may not know that here when we come that we choose our academic father and mother on the freshers day itself. Those whom we refer as our academic Bappa and Ma. So they are the interns from the senior most batch of our college, and this is what needed. I mean, it's a special thing in our college, and it is done to make the senior junior bonding even more better. And there is someone in the college whom you can always refer. They can guide you and enlighten you to the 5.5 year of their medical journey, and it gonna make you learn more about this MBBS life. This is done usually on the basis of the chit system. So we go and we pick up a chit, and the name is written on it. Also, there is provision that if any senior wants to adopt someone, then they can do it too. So I am so blessed to be part of these beautiful families, and thank you Bhai and Didis for adopting me. So after that the cultural programs started, and those included the ramp, the dance and my own duo song performance also. So I have already posted that in my channel, so definitely you must check it out. Then it was the Star Night performance, so we all enjoyed that thoroughly, and after that it was a DJ which made us hop till 6 a.m. in the morning. We all came back to hostel, and we were tired and exhausted, but okay, fine. So we're gonna cherish that forever. In case you are going to join MKCG, welcome to my college, and definitely you're gonna love my college too much, and I'm sure that you're gonna make a lot of memories here, and that's it. Bye bye.